Hello guys, in the previous video we have seen the unboxing of TP-Link external wireless adapter. So in that we have just seen the unboxing, so we will now install it on the system and let's see how is it is working. So here is the TP-Link wireless adapter I have. It should be plugged to the USB 3.0 or USB 2.0 port. So I'll be plugging it here. So I plugged it in and let's see what happens in the system. See, initially if you see, I don't have a network connection here. My Wi-Fi adapter is not working. It is only showing one network here, Ruti network, and it is also a very less signal. But if I use it the same network, Ruti network, in the mobile or another system, it will be very loud. So there is a problem in the Wi-Fi adapter. That's why I have installed this one. As you can see, it is blinking in green color. It means it is working. So let's see how it is installed here. So in the Wi-Fi drop down you see two Wi-Fi's. One is the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi 2. Initially before plugging it we have only Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is my internal computer's adapter and Wi-Fi 2 is the one which we have installed it right now. Okay, so I am selecting Wi-Fi 2. So as you select Wi-Fi 2 you can see two networks are available here and this routine network is of almost full signal. So let's connect to this. It's asking for a network key and I'll connect to network key. Okay. Okay, it's connected now and it's almost has very full signal. As you can see here, it has almost full signal and this thing is working excellently. So if now I try to open something in Google Chrome or something, it comes with blazing speed. So it won't reduce any of your speed. It exactly works as if you are working with an internal Wi-Fi adapter. And since it is also very small, it is very hard to notice that you have attached an external device. Okay. So my Google Chrome was loaded and now I will click on any of the link and try to navigate to Amazon page. See, I navigated with blazing speed. So you can use any. You can normally browse your internet with much faster. So let's go to Facebook and see how it looks. So Facebook page loaded. Now I am out of internet issues and is working fine. So okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching.